Are you looking for the best brake dust cleaner? I have compiled a list of top 5 best brake dust cleaner this year. These brake dust cleaners are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the brake dust cleaner's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Armor All Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner Foam. When it comes to a hard-working brake dust cleaner that makes removing buildup a breeze, the Armor All Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner Foam fits the bill. This cleaning solution lives up to its name, providing a heavy-duty solution to fight even long-time brake dust and get your wheels sparkling once again. This cleaner instantly foams up when sprayed, and it goes on blue. Once it's broken down the iron buildup, it turns white and is ready to be washed away. All you have to do is spray, wait, and scrub away, and you don't have to scrub hard. Plus, as an added bonus, once you've washed the foam away, you'll be left with an invisible layer of protection that can repel new brake dust, road grime, and dirt for up to 1 month. However, it's worth noting that this tough and effective brake dust cleaner isn't safe for all wheel finishes. Users say it can remove the factory finish on some wheels, leaving you with less protection, less shine, and potentially some visible damage. Number 2. Blaster Non-Chlorinated Brake Cleaner Spray. When it comes to value, it's hard to beat how much Blaster Non-Chlorinated Brake Cleaner Spray offers in its affordable package. This single cleaning solution is safe for your wheels, most finishes, painted surfaces, and even brake components, allowing you to give everything underneath your rims one very thorough cleaning. Plus, you'll get a good bang for your buck thanks to the affordable price of this product. In every aerosol spray bottle, you'll get a liquid formula that sprays on and stays liquid. Once it's applied, the cleaner gets to work dissolving oil, grease, brake dust, and all other surface contaminants that may be present. You can spray it right onto your car's components, and it'll do the job without requiring any scrubbing. The only potential drawback is the 14-ounce bottle is somewhat smaller than other products, leaving you with a little less cleaning power. Number 3. EagleOne All-Wheel and Tire Triple Cleaning Foam Spray. EagleOne All-Wheel and Tire Triple Cleaning Foam is a spray-on brake dust solution that takes pretty much all of the hard work out of cleaning your wheels and rims. In fact, it'll even clean your tires. This cleaning solution creates a thick foam once it's sprayed onto your wheels, and it breaks down brake dust as well as grease and grime. After it's done working, you can rinse it off with water and you'll see shining, sparkling rims once again. That's it, there's no scrubbing or tough wiping required. You'll be left with nothing but pro-level results, including brilliant tire shine and glistening rims. The cleaning solution can pull dirt and grime off of surfaces without any real intervention, making it a fuss-free option for those who don't want to spend a lot of time doing detail work. And you can rest easy knowing it's safe for all factory-coated, clear-coated, and painted wheels or rims. Users love how easy and highly effective this brake dust cleaner is. But there is one drawback: the spray nozzle and trigger are prone to breakage. These two components can leave you frustrated with small streams of cleaning solution or failure to spray. Number 4. Griots Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner. For a gentler formula that won't corrode or strip your wheels, Griots Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner can easily tackle stubborn brake dust without wrecking your exterior. This brake dust cleaner is specifically formulated to be gentle enough for all surfaces and finishes, from your tires to your rims to your exterior paint. It's non-acidic, non-caustic, and pH balanced, and it can be used without worry on uncoated aluminum, powder-coated metals, anodized metals, chromed metals, and painted surfaces without stripping or damaging finishes. Application is easy, too, and you only have to let the cleaning solution sit for 3 to 5 minutes before scrubbing it away and rinsing clean. Plus, it even turns deep purple when it's finished working, so you know when to get to work. The only potential drawback to this brake dust cleaner is it does require some elbow grease. While some users note that you don't need a lot of effort to get rid of the dirt and debris, others mention that it can take some serious work. The results may depend on how much brake dust you have hanging around. Number 5. Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleanser. If you're searching for an acid-free formula, Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleanser will meet your needs. This quick cleaning solution is made with no acid in its mix, which makes it safer for more finishes, and gives you a little more peace of mind. It can be used on both your wheels and your tires, and it's safe for factory or OEM wheels and rims. It's also a clear coat safe formula, meaning you can apply it to alloy, steel, or chrome surfaces with clear coated finishes. As a foaming cleaner, this brake dust solution sprays on, sits, and foams until it penetrates all of the grime hanging onto your wheels, and then can be rinsed away. And it works on grease and oil in addition to brake dust, too. While this brake dust cleaner is non-acidic, this detail doesn't automatically make it safe for all finishes and surfaces. In fact, one of the biggest complaints about this cleaner is its harsh results on paint. It can eat through paint and even fade or bleach the color of paint. And some users note that it can leave behind streaks even after it's been rinsed away.